So my advice for founders looking to raise would be start early. It's very tempting to make sure you've got your pitch deck perfect, and it's hard when you're starting out to get everything into a 10-deck slide that you want to. But I would recommend that you just get something down that is good enough and start meeting investors early, because it takes time to build a relationship, and ultimately the investors are investing in you. So you need to give yourself enough runway to make sure that you can build those relationships, so when the time comes when you're ready to raise, they already know you, they know your business, and they're ready to invest.
Investments are sort of a market which is quite hard to understand. What I took away was just the different terms that are used, valuations, different types of investors, what kind of companies they invest in, just the opportunities for us to raise money, and which ones to sort of focus on and save time. I think that was really helpful.
You don't know what you don't know. When I first got involved in the ecosystem here, it was actually starting to speak to advisors and investors and realising that there were people that were specialists in what we do, and finding those people and getting them to give me the advice and support early in my career as an entrepreneur was essential to getting me on the right path to raising the right kind of money at the right time in a way that really worked for the business. So just get out there, go and speak to as many people as you can. There's an amazing ecosystem here, and the best thing you can do is don't assume you know anything, because guess what, you probably don't.
I think the most important advice for anyone that's going about funding is prepare. I would say that the way we approached it was we actually focused on smaller numbers, less numbers, but drew the attention of the investors to those numbers. So instead of getting stuck in the weeds, being lack of focus, we focused on less is more.
My top takeaway from tonight was how energised the room was of investors and founders working together to maximise the amount of information out there for founders looking for investment.